Hi, I am Manish Kiran from Hyderabad. I have completed Masters in Computer Applications (MCA) in Aurora PG College, Nampalli. After completing my MCA, I joined in Jspiders JNTU for gaining good knowledge in Java full stack development. After joining in the Jspiders, Sunil sir helped me a lot for building strong fundamentals in the core Java, and Sai sir helped me a lot for learning advanced Java, and W.TECH, Yashwant sir helped me a lot for gaining knowledge on web technologies. And all of the trainers in the institute are very well trained, and they are very supportive at every time. And HR team is very supportive and friendly, and they are available whenever we need it. And coming to mock interviews, the mock interviews helped me a lot for understanding real-time face interviews, and they helped me a lot how to face the real interviews. And I would strongly recommend everyone who are willing to join and learn Java full stack or software development, and will get placed in a with best company. And thank you, Jspiders.